Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcs Electric Customs. Tonight we're going to work on our newest project in the shop, Project Gojira, Godzilla for everybody else. It's a 63 Chevrolet C10 long bed 2-wheel drive. It is a big block truck, which I'll show you here in just a minute. Backed up by a TKO 600 or 6060 or something like that. I don't know. It's a 6-speed trans. The owner of the truck really likes to drive a stick, so he's obviously put that package together and is running out of time before his baby gets here. So we are going to help him get it back on the road. And my goal for tonight is to get the radiator mounted. And to do that, I have to build a bracket to hold it down. I also want to see if I can get brake lines ran and go from there. So complete list here. You'll see me writing it after this intro, and then I'll show you a picture of it. So let's just get started working. All right, so it's a 454 that's bored 30 over, has a RV cam, has RV style cam in it. I don't know the specs on it. Has short or mid length. God dang. All right, guys. So Gojira has a 454 that's bored 30 over, some mid length stainless headers, 650 Holley Carb on the top, HEI distributor. And basically we're just going to help him get it ready. So I'm going to flip it to time lapse while I start on the radiator, which isn't here. It's actually right over here. Super nice polished setup. So I'm going to have to build a mount because it's actually a little taller than what the factory one is. All right, guys, Matt's over here with us. Say hey, Matt. Hello. So he's gonna work on stuff, wiring or whatever he feels like, while I work on getting the radiator mounted. I just have the mount here, okay? So we're gonna make it, or mount it, and then we're gonna start working on some electric fans for the radiator, see how big of an area we can cover. Okay, we don't have it 100% mounted down yet, but it is in there. See there? Cool, cool. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna wire in a sensor here that'll tell one fan to turn on, and we'll put the other fan on a switch inside for Matt. All right, guys, so we are attempting to fix the carb gasket here. So you can see from this side how much that just, I'm not gonna say robs, but I mean, that's gotta affect drivability and somehow throttle response. So I'm taking the razor blade, trimming out, you know, I'm not making it perfect, but I mean, look at the top bowls. Like, how is that gonna create good atomization, whatever, I don't know how to say it. It's 11 o'clock at night, I'm not gonna worry about it. So, I'm gonna flip it to time lapse while I'm messing with this little board. All right, so obviously we're not going for highest horsepower here, but that's better than it was. So we're gonna throw it all back on. Okay, so the fans are on, wired in, mostly. Got a little relay over there, got our temperature sensor, it's mounted here down on the bottom. We still have to loom them, obviously, but got that in, got the radiator mount made, and now we're gonna put the carb. So we've got the carb on here, both gaskets are set up. We've got all that stuff done, wiring on that's done. I'm about to start looming all of this, and then Matt's gonna bring some tomorrow or Sunday or whenever, and I'll get to loom down in here so we can run this power wire all the way inside. All right, everybody. Matt made it to midnight, but he's got to open the store in the morning, so he's gonna. Hey, what's this car called? The crap duster?
Yeah, the crap duster.
Crap duster. All right, so he's getting in the crap duster and going home. So, see you, dude. Slant 6 of raw power. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. We got a lot done. I actually added a few things to the list. Tightened down engine mount bolts. Power steering lines, I went ahead and did those. Found that the shock bolts are actually gone. So knocked the power steering lines out. I'm sure he'll be happy about that. And I don't know, subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming and more on Project Gojira. Gojira? Yeah, sure, that works.